In front of me is MOTOROLA One Macro, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So, as you can hear right now, once I am clicking anything, nothing is changed, so you cannot hear any sound. But if you'd like to change it, if you'd like to activate touch sounds, touch tunes, you have to open the settings at first, then find and select sound, scroll down, open advanced options, go a bit lower, and here you will notice touch sounds, so smoothly click on it, and from now on every click will be connected with sound. So let me show you. And this is it, this is how it works, this is how you can smoothly and easy activate touch sounds. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.